On a mission of deployment, I've been cocked and loaded, ready for the culmination.